Since I garden in a short season, I've done my share of indoor gardening. And whether growing plants to maturity inside or starting seedlings to grow outside, sufficient and aesthetically pleasing lighting has always been a challenge. So I was really pleased when Vego Garden asked me to review their 4-tier grow light garden in this sponsored video. Hello, this is Stephen from Short Season Garden, and I offer tips and tricks for gardening in any climate, but especially for short seasons like here in Zone 3B, Zone 4A in Eastern Canada. So give my video a thumbs up and a comment, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and you can check me out on Instagram or Facebook at Short Season Garden. Of course, Vego Garden sells a lot more than grow lights. The discount code shortseasongarden 10 off will give you $10 off their complete line of outdoor gardening products, as well as the Vego Grow Light and Indoor Garden collection. I need to let you know that as a Vego Garden affiliate, I do earn a commission on any products you buy using the link in the description below, without affecting your price. The 4-tier grow light garden that Vego Garden sent me comes in a compact box complete with instructions and even a fancy pair of gloves. Most of the assembly is quickly and easily done with spring buttons. Screws are provided for the pre-drilled holes in the bottom legs, for cross braces, and for securing the bottom shelf. Vego Garden recommends that your light garden be securely fastened to the wall, especially if you have pets or children. All shelves are spill-proof and easily hold a 10 by 20 plant tray. Shelves can be easily moved up or down to accommodate seedlings or plants of different heights, and there are magnetic clips to keep the electrical cords neat. Vego Garden's complete indoor garden collection, from the simple Vego Grow Light stand to the 4-tier Grow Light Garden Pro, makes use of their innovative smart grow light system. Each grow light can be fastened magnetically or with 3M tape and can rotate in its holder to provide maximum light. Not only are these LED high efficiency, requiring very little energy to run, but they are full spectrum, mimicking natural sunlight with both blue light for strong growth and red light for bigger harvests. I like the fact that there is no need for timers or dimmers with these lights. 5 intelligent modes automatically adjust light intensity and duration. Since it is the end of May, and most of my plants will soon be moving outdoors, all my lights will be used in the seeds mode, giving me 17 watts of light on for 16 hours and off for 8 hours. This works great for seed starting, whether using the double cupping method, soil blocking, or conventional plug trays. Of course, come autumn, I'll try the other modes for growing plants to maturity indoors. I'm anxious to try the leafy mode for spinach and lettuce. The fruits mode will be good for my dwarf tomatoes. I want to try basil, mint, and parsley on the herb mode. And of course, I can't forget the microgreen mode. Of course, Vego Garden's indoor collection contains a wide variety of grow light stands with anywhere from 1 to 6 grow lights. So don't forget to click the affiliate link in the description below and check them all out. Check out their wide variety of outdoor beds, planters, irrigation supplies, and composters as well. And don't forget the discount code, shortseasongarden 10 off. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and a comment, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.